Welcome to today's video. In this one, we'll be discussing the CJ Affiliate Marketing Program benefits in 2024. This program has been around for quite some time, and it's still going strong. In this video, we'll be highlighting some of the unique features that make it stand out from the rest. So, let's dive right in. First and foremost, the CJ Affiliate Program is a vast network of over 15,000 products and services. This means that there's something for everyone, regardless of your interests or niche. Whether you're into digital products, physical products, or even affiliate marketing services, there's something here for you. Now, let's talk about the easy ways to guide you through the steps. One of the best things about the CJ Affiliate Program is that it's incredibly user-friendly. With its step-by-step guide, you can easily join, create your account, and get started promoting products like never before. Plus, there's a 24/7 customer support team available to answer any questions you may have. Another great feature of the CJ Affiliate Program is its vast selection of products. Whether you're looking to promote digital products like ebooks, software, or online courses, or physical products like electronics, clothing, or home goods, there's something for you. And the best part, you can promote almost anything as long as it's available through the CJ Affiliate Program. Now, let's briefly touch on what's new in the CJ Affiliate Program. With the introduction of the new interface, users now have a more streamlined and user-friendly experience. The new design is clean, modern, and easy to navigate, making it even easier to find the products and services you're looking for. Lastly, one of the most significant benefits of the CJ Affiliate Program is its strong customer support. With the 24/7 customer support team, you can get answers to any questions you may have, no matter what time of day it is. This means that you can focus on promoting the products and services you're passionate about, knowing that you're getting the support you need. In conclusion, the CJ Affiliate Marketing Program benefits in 2024 are truly exceptional. With its vast network of products and services, easy ways to guide you through the steps, new interface, and strong customer support, it's no wonder that it's one of the most popular affiliate marketing programs out there. So, if you're looking to expand your online presence and promote products that align with your interest, the CJ Affiliate Program is the perfect program for you. Happy promoting!